The law that changed women's rights, the equality that changed everything. When the price of speaking became personal, the law had already changed, institutions had already adjusted, policies had already been rewritten. Now the question was different. What happens when a biological woman refuses to accept the new reality? This episode examines how confrontation with the established legal framework increasingly carried personal, financial, professional, and reputational consequences, transforming legal disputes into behavioural lessons for biological women across Australia. Every legal framework eventually reaches a defining moment, not when Parliament passes it, when ordinary people confront it. Some biological women continued asking questions. Why had female boundaries changed? Who now decided access? What remained exclusively female? And the questions themselves became part of the conflict. A complaint followed, then an investigation, then lawyers, then hearings, then judgments, then damages, then apologies, then legal costs. The consequences extended far beyond the courtroom. Thousands of women watched, and the lesson travelled faster than the judgment. One woman entered court. Many women altered their behaviour. Some became cautious, others refused to retreat. Women's organisations formed. Campaigns emerged, legal challenges continued, and the conflict no longer centred only on policy. It centred on consequence. For many biological women, confronting the legal framework no longer carried only emotional cost. It could carry financial cost, and it has for many. Professional cost, reputational cost, years inside legal proceedings. And the framework had become more than legislation. It had become behavioural conditioning. Yet something unexpected happened. The greater pressure became the more women chose to organise. The courtroom did not end the discussion, it expanded it. The law remained established, the consequences remained real. The resistance also became part of Australia's public conversation. And the greatest consequence, viewers, was not simply legal judgment. It was teaching every biological woman that confronting an established legal framework could carry a deeply personal and catastrophic, in some cases, cost.
You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me. The misery, the ecstasy, the finer things you keep from me. And then you touch, and I feel so much. I just love what you do to me. just love what you do to me. I love what you do to me.